Okay, so I'm going to be assembling this handle, which they've provided 2 bolts and 2 nuts for. And just intuitively it seems like these have to go into this, and the bolts have to go through these holes. In the manual, it actually doesn't say exactly how they're installed, but it seems to suggest there's a section on installation, and it suggests that these just slide in, but according to these directions it says place the mower upright, remove the packing material, remove the rubber edge guard from the upper handle, and insert the upper handle into the lower handle, put the bolts through the hole and tighten with the nuts using a Phillips head screwdriver, not included. And it shows how to lock and unlock the handle position. So that handle lock and unlock is here. That's pretty obvious. When I press this, I can move the handle up. However, this is not very obvious, so I don't think these are rubber pieces that are meant to come off. So I don't know what they meant by removing those rubber guards, but just very intuitively I think what's supposed to happen is that these are supposed to slide in on both sides. So let's see what that might be looking like. So on this side, for example, it does seem to go in like this, but on this side you have these wires sticking out. So I assume these wires have to be stuffed in through this, and then this whole piece has to slide in. So I'm going to try that and then see how it goes.